Hi guys, we're going to make a face mask. This one, I made this one. Face mask. It's just handmade, so I will show you the full tutorial for making a face mask, okay? So, we will start now. Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. Now, I have an order, a guy, so he chose this color. So we need it to fold it one time. And also we need our mask to measure like that. And we make sure that we need to leave about half inch because the person that owned this mask is a big one. So we're going to leave about half inch like that, guys. Just like that. I usually put needle here so that it will see. I'm here for English, guys. Like that. We need both sides. If you want different color, can we? Okay. Just different color. Both sides different color, so we will do different color. So we will going to set aside. And this cloth is for the center. The same way too. Just measure this one, fold the clothes one time, and cut it and leave a half inch if the person is bigger. Like that, guys. So we set aside this one and our blue. So I need to pick some color, different color for both sides, so he can use it double purpose. Which one is better? Dinosaur flower, which is the flower? Which is this flower? Colorful, huh? Either way, you can fold like that or fold like that. So I like fold fold like that or like that. Fold like that, guys. Make sure the design is the same at the other side. Like that. Same thing, we need to leave half inch. Like that. Where's the needle? To make sure our cuttings will be perfectly the same size. We put needle in the middle. I'm not sure, guys. So we got this one. Same thing, leave half inch. The other side too. And here. It's hard to make a handmade mask. It is very time consuming. Usually, the first time I made the mask, even one, it's hard for me to finish half day. It's time consuming. So, in the long run, but later, I can make masks 6 pieces in a day. But you need to focus. Usually, 2 hours for just one mask. Imagine, handmade. Mask is not easy, so we need the machine. That, guys. We got it already. No. Don't worry about it with this one because we can fold it later. Wala siyang measurements sa ito. Okay. And now we're going to sew them. Sew them. Turn this over like that, guys. Simple lang. The way I sew it is very simple. Leave a little space, or you can start at the very pino, guys.
It's running under the car.
You can find.
No, I can find them. I'm not going to chase them. You work for Jimmy.
Maybe they already.
You could find somebody else.
We can take some. Give it to Paul.
Probably.
He don't like bites.
That lady coming for that?
She said again 5:30. It's 5:30 already.
I thought that was the Filipino.
She's a Filipino. Hi guys, I'm almost done to the first line. Remember, like that. Turn that over, and then at the here, fold like that. Fold and sew it. The other way to up and down. This is the front, the upper and the down. You need to sew this one. You need to turn over, not the front, okay? And then this one, this is our center cloth or fabric. It doesn't matter when you sew it at the front or at the back, because this is in the center. You can't see it when it's done, so it doesn't matter if you sew it back or front, like that, guys. This is so close each other. This is the way I sew. Try to follow the machine. So okay. Okay, so I already sew this area. This is the blue one. So I sew it, baliktad, turn over, and then upper. This is the front, upper and lower. I already sew, and this is the center, upper and lower, and then this is the flowery design. This is the front area. I sew the upper and then the lower. And now we're going to attach them together. Guys, take note. Make sure this blue and the flowery are facing together. Like that, guys. Don't mess up like that. Next is our center. Either way can be. This is the upper, but make sure the the design must facing each other. So like that, guys. So we're going to sew them. I'm practicing English, guys. Kaya my husband is keep on correcting me. Like that, guys. So I will start in between, in the middle. Same thing sa pagtahi, guys. Tiny. Same thing. Very risky, guys. No, make sure they were aligned together. So sew this one first here. Like that, guys. Kinamot. Tusok-tusok, guys. I always poke myself. But kung sa Bisaya pa, guys. Kubalan na. So we need machine. I keep on urging my husband, we need to buy machine so we can make more. I didn't expect that people will buy. At first we're trying to find masks, but we cannot find, so sometimes my husband will bring me outside. So I try my best to make my own mask. I didn't thought that I know how. I'm just trying to look at the YouTube, guys. You can learn many stuff from YouTube. Just follow their, what's that? It's time consuming, guys, because if you want to make it faster, you'll be poking a lot on your fingers. So make sure you're slow, but not too slow. Mindful, because if you're not careful, the needle is so sharp. Oh, this is tiny one, very thin. It's dangerous. Okay, I will cut the video and I will show you later. We just sew this area here and then the lower. Get the video, guys, and show you again. Okay, guys. Wow, I already done. I already sew this area here in the center, here too, the other way, and then we're going to seal just in between. Just in between, because we were going to attach our strap this area, so you better open this area, and here too, this area, open it, and I just sew in the center. Just enjoy lang, guys, and soon you'll be finishing your mask. Follow like that. Pasensya na sa noise, guys. My husband is cutting something like that, guys. Leave here so you can insert the strap. Just so careful, you will not poke your hand or finger. It's too painful, guys, when the needle will poke you, because this is too sharp and thin. Matulis siya, matulis. Then like that. Leave a space both sides. So we're going to put our double it. So it double. We're going to put our strap there. My first customer. At first, because I don't know how to make mask, so I asked them what size from nose to ears, so you can measure the strap, including this, the cup, what's that, the mask, and they will tell you. So when they receive their order, they'll be happy. I received 4 good response. I mean, good feedback. They're so happy with the product. It's a handmade mask. So now we're almost done, guys. So I will show you how to turn this over. Guys, no. And then we need a scissor to cut it. Like that, guys. No, you sew it here, here, here. And then you go to the two designs. So you open that area. Look, guys. Ta-da-da-dan. To design. If they want to use blue in that day, they can use blue. Look at this. Blue. Blue if they want flowery, can be. And then when we put our strap here, I leave a space for the strap, both sides. And here too, you need to fold that one. Fold it. But I will not lock this area, guys. When you put the strap, I just leave it open. So some of them will, so that they can put additional filter or cloth inside. Yeah. For more protection, guys. Tara na, guys. Both sides flowery, and then that blue. Okay, we will okay. Now we're going to work on our strap. We just set aside this one for later use. Strap, guys. This one for big person. I mean, my measurement for big person is 3. This is 6 inches. So what? 6, 12, 18 inches, guys, for our fabric. So I already sew this one. You fold it like that and sew. This is 6 inches, about 12, 18. So I sew like that, and then I will teach you how to turn this over. I use a scissor. Oh no, I need to find my clip. This clip don't go. It's gone again. Oh man, how come? Over here. Over here, our clip is here, guys. Because I don't have alpeler or perdeplay, I don't have, so I use clip to turn this over. Noise, guys. Oh, my habibi is sewing some stuff there outside. Kinda hard to turn this over, guys, because it's too tight. Just be patient.